Good evening from the Arizona desert. My name is Tom, and I'm out here in Phoenix, Arizona, and these are the nightly DoorDash numbers from the desert. This week is over, and we finished strong. And we probably could have finished over 2,800, but I took a day off to celebrate an 81st birthday. And not my birthday, but a family member's. And today we finished with 381.66, even though I did not start until 7:30 this morning, and I took a half-hour nap in the middle of the day. So very happy with the results. Just kind of forged ahead and managed to put up some good numbers for today. I'm very pleased with them. Also worked on the Google Sheet as far as the hourly earnings and created a calculator, a transition offer calculator, and it is working beautifully and giving us much more accurate numbers, and it's made the process so much easier. Now, if things start to heat up and we're running and not able to log our acceptance ratings or our hourly earnings by taking the screenshots of the initial offer and the completed offer tally sheet. We're able to go back through those screenshots and very easily look at the earnings at the top of the hour and use this calculator in order to calculate out our hourly earnings. So currently we've only got 4 days left, and then the numbers are all up to date. The AR tracker is up to date. We have our daily earnings that we need to enter for a couple of days. And then I want to play with a pivot table to see if I can um, pull out some information and just copy and paste it instead of having to go through each day and go through a manual process. So that's what I'm looking forward to. And then the next big task is we probably have 3 weeks of videos that we need to upload into YouTube. It's my own little pet peeve. I could start today and load this video up, but I like them to be in chronological order. And um, then we have to work on a weekly tracking the numbers segment that we'll be doing once we get home in the evenings. And I think that's pretty much done. I just want to dot the I's, cross the T's, and make sure that everything is working as planned. So let's go cash out real quick because we have the money from yesterday as well as today, and I want to get that out of DoorDash's hands. So let's go on over here, go into our earnings. We did a total today of, let's see, total deliveries today of 43 deliveries only. It's still above 40, not, still shy of 50. Just very happy with today. Worked out really well. 43 deliveries probably meant that our total was roughly $9.50 per order, approximately, just taking a guess at it. So go over here, let's pay out, let's cash pay out this 891.07 for a 2-day total. I'm happy with that. Let's get that over into our bank account. And that's done. Let's go take a look at the rest of the numbers and our ratings. We're getting really close to the 50,000 mark. And let's see where we're at with that. So looking at our totals, we're at a 90% acceptance rate, 100% completion. We're off by 2 on the on-time rating. View the orders late. Taco Bell, they were just really late on one of the orders getting it out. So that was long wait for the merchant. Done with that. Go back in here. Pita Jungle, I think, was the other one. And late on that one as well. There was a long wait that was on the merchant. long wait at the store. So that's all taken care of. Hopefully, you're learning from this process. I would probably do this 2, 3 times a day. It may or may not affect what type of offers you're getting. I do know that if you're not doing 40 deliveries a day, then sometimes you're limited as to whether or not you can actually, get rid of them. You have to do deliveries in order to be able to dispute. I don't know yet what the ratio is on that. We may figure it out at some point. It looks like we're 246 deliveries away from 50,000. Uh, so roughly 6 days at 40 deliveries per day. So let's see, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. It looks like next Saturday, um, we should hit the 50,000 mark and see if anything happens. Do you think anything will happen? Leave it in the comments. I'm doubtful. Nobody's reached out to me. It is what it is. I know that it's a badge of honor that I carry, and it's very fun when customers actually see that in the Apple app. And now I'm hearing from some of the Android users that they're able to see our stats as well. So that's always fun when they're like, holy moly, how in the world have you done almost 50,000 deliveries? So um, yeah, it's fun. It strikes up a conversation and it builds a relationship with those customers. And now they look for me. Now they look for me. And I had one conversation with a lady, the other day, and she's just like, "Have you delivered to me before?" And I was like, "Yeah, you always decorate your front porch um, with some amazing style. It's a fairy tale scene. It's something that you'd see in Better Homes and Garden. It's an amazing yard." And we dialogued back and forth, for a while, and very very enjoyable. And it beats just dropping things off at a door, right? So, how was your week? Did you make your numbers? Are you finding any of the suggestions that I'm making about starting early and ending, late? Is that increasing your revenue? Um, do you extend your dash? And if so, do you see any changes in the types of orders that you get? Do you schedule ahead? Do you not even need to schedule ahead? Are you in a market where all you have to do is dash now? Currently, we're in the old tier system, and um, we don't have the points. We don't have dash now, and I'm kind of looking forward to it. I don't know if it's going to be beneficial for myself and others in our market, but it is what it is. I did meet a gentleman tonight, Kyle, and he's not really into social media, but Kyle, he's just shy of $100,000 a year. I think he made 91,000 last year, but we just kind of chatted it up while we were waiting for an order at a merchant. And he looked at my mobile office setup and his mouth dropped. And he's was really intrigued, and it was to the point where he might just come, subscribe to the channel, even though he's not big into social media. So he just grinds and gets it done. So he tries to make roughly 2 grand a week, and he's doing it. So I think he's doing it mainly through DoorDash. I think he has roughly 30,000 deliveries. But when he saw my Google sheet and my setup and saw my stats, he was just like, holy moly. So it's always fun when that happens. I enjoy that. I enjoy investing in people. I enjoy the conversation. I enjoy hearing what they do. I enjoy having them dialogue with me, hear what I do, and question it to the point where they might just try it. And if they do try it, hopefully they see the results. And hopefully you're seeing the results. and I'm really looking forward to going live. We still have some shopping to do on Amazon and another install for the Starlink satellite, and yeah, it's gonna be fun. It's gonna be exciting. Currently, I've taken a little hiatus away from YouTube because I have to get things back together. Um, Things kind of fell apart when I went into that challenge and when I hit the curb, but we're slowly getting everything back up and running, and it's feeling good. So hopefully you're feeling good. I'm feeling good. So gas, just to let you know, here in the valley as of tonight, tipped over $4.99, and now it's up to $5.15.9. So it still doesn't affect me because I would drop $50 to go make $400 every day. It's nice when it's dropping 20 to make that money, but it's just the cost of business, right? Um, I did talk to one individual, and he was just like, he's driving a vehicle that's getting like 12 miles to the gallon, and it's just like he's working to put money in the tank. That's all that he's doing. Um, so yeah, run the numbers. The numbers in this business are very, very important. So I'm gonna let you go. I have to go get the car washed. I have to give myself a haircut tonight. I want to see if I can possibly finish up with entering in our hourly earnings for the last, week I think that's left, and get to bed so that we can hit the ground running tomorrow. So with that, I'm going to let you go, 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 and I'm heading to car wash, gas up, haircut, running the numbers, and getting some sleep. We'll talk to you tomorrow. Have a good night.